Well, the weather has changed up here in North America. It's cold and it's damp. And with that, the fresh air fan can sometimes seize up in a Porsche Boxster. It can be one of three things. A fuse is blown, the fan is seized, or the motor is completely gone. I've had this issue before, so I'm going to go with the fan is seized. Let's open up the frunk and have a look inside. To access the fresh air fan, you gently push back the clips on the upper cover. Lift up the upper cover, have a look inside, and you'll see the fan. Place your hand on top of the fan and twist it in both directions. That should free it up. Replace the upper cover and reattach the clips. Then you replace the plastic cover, making sure that it's secure. Once that is done, let's give it a try and see what happens. And there we go, all fixed.